just made my life. That's exactly what we are doing.
I wish everyone had that type of experience with AI. Let's dive in a second and find out why is she so excited.
I work at Dunn County, so it's local government. I'm in HR. I attended CV Sherm conference. I attended your
All right.
session.
So HR process mapping. About how many employees are in the county government?
600.
So so when you say process mapping, are you talking new hire to termination? Give me one example.
So employee onboarding or offboarding or
So basically just take one at a time, right?
yep.
And this is part of what.
You just made my life. That's exactly what we are doing. Oh my gosh. Now, do I have to do the paid version for this?
Well, if you do, it's $20 a month, and if you could take off early on a Friday afternoon, that might be worth it.
Correct. So, can you send me that query either to my email so that I can have it as like a template that I use to ask?
So that's the prompt that I used for that. But honestly, I didn't even know it did process maps like this. That's pretty sweet.
But that's exactly what we're doing. So what we've been using is Tango, which I don't know if you're familiar with that add-on to your browser, but it captures like each mouse click, and then it does kind of an SOP. So off of that SOP, we're creating those process maps, which are like channels, and if this, then this step, and then if this, then that step. But I think oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show this. Like, we are scheduled out to the end of 2025 doing this because we're doing it on top of our regular processes. And it's not just HR, it's behavioral health, it's finance, it's all of the things because we all use the program.
Go and create them all and then go to the next meeting with a printout of them all being done.
I might just do that and be like, okay, can we do something else now? Yeah, I just saved us a bunch of time and resources. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
That was a short segment of our Wisconsin AI Leadership Workshop. We hold that workshop on the last Friday of every month from 8 to 10 o'clock in Eau Claire, La Crosse, and Menominee. Feel free to go to our website, our Facebook page. This is where business leaders in Wisconsin come together and try different solutions to help them implement AI within their practices.